I just cleaned up some gross poop from the dogs. I let them out to do their business, but apparently Brooklyn ate something. It took everything in my stomach not to vomit on myself because it was so gross. And then I let them eat, drink water. Hold on, Zoe. I let them eat and drink water, and then I go to the kitchen and there's more of the gooey stuff. I don't know what it was. But anyway, the girls want to say hi.
Hey, I want to say hi. Hello, guys. So Brooklyn throw up.
I have them in the kennels right now because I was mopping in there. I'm letting it dry, and then I'll let them out so they can play. All right, sorry, they're watching Aladdin and it was like really loud. It was like loudness. Today is, what's today, Tuesday?
No, it's Saturday. It's Saturday.
It's Wednesday, yeah. April 1st. Oh my God, it's April Fool's Day today. We have to prank Daddy. Yesterday after work, hubby ran to our storage. We weren't supposed to be here through Easter, but we are. We extended 2 more months just because everything with the house hunting is on hold, especially with everything going on. So we extended 2 more months. Our rent is going to go up a little bit because we are extending for 2 more months. It's kind of like a month to month now. Hey, yes, you are going to share.
With my secret.
Okay, hey, be nice. Anyway. Anyway, after work yesterday, hubby, I told him to go get my tote from the storage that has all my Easter stuff in it. So, anyway, I'll show you guys the tote. This is this year's stuff. I haven't, like I said, we haven't been hunting forever, but Pete's sake, Pete, this egg, which is super cute, that says Happy Spring. This is a pastel pink that says Hop to It, and then Honey Bunny. This is everything that we've gotten this year, and it's probably going to be everything that we're going to get since everything is shut down, which is fine because you just saw all the old stuff that I have. The girls are going crazy with all of it. Hey guys, so it is 2:08. Hubby called and said he was going to be working late today. I'm going to be cooking the rest of the ground beef that I cooked the day before yesterday. It needs to get cooked today, so we're going to have just like a Mexican dish. I don't think I've ever showed me making this. It's just like a picadillo. You just do the ground beef with potatoes and some Spanish rice. Usually I make the Spanish rice separate from the picadillo, but the last time I made it, which was like 2 days ago, I mixed in the rice with the meat and the potatoes, and it came out pretty good. I've never done it that way, but I just like threw it all together. So I think I'm gonna do it like that today, and I will show you guys how I make it. Hubby, like I said, I hadn't made it in a long time, and hubby was like, please make that, finish cooking that meat and make that tonight. So that's what I'm gonna do. He's gonna call me when he's on his way home. Usually he would have already gotten out of work at 2 and he'd be home by like 2:30, but they're working late today, and I guess we'll just have like a normal dinner time, because usually when he gets home from work he's hungry. Usually he gets he'll eat like a snack or something, and then I'll make dinner like around 5 or 6. But since he's working late, I'm just gonna make that for dinner. So as soon as he calls me to let me know what time he's gonna be home, then I will start cooking. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is brown your ground meat, and then I'm about to peel the potatoes. Okay, so I just chopped up 2 potatoes, just like medium size, because it makes a lot when you chop them up. You want to chop them up as small as you can so that they cook. Right now I just have it on very low heat, just steaming a little bit while my rice is frying up right here. And then I'll show you guys how I mix it all together and what ingredients I put. Okay, so I already drained the fat from the potatoes and the ground beef, and drained the grease that you brown your rice in. I already drained all that, so it's not so greasy. You can see over here all the grease. Anyway, so you just mix it all together, and then you cover it, and then you wait for it to come to a boil, and then you put it on simmer. I do add better than bouillon in it just to give it a good flavor. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and that's about it. And then you just let it do its thing, and it'll be ready.